To our YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to set up WordPress on your domain at ionos.com. So first of all, you have to log into your account and go to domains and SSL from the menu bar, and here you will see that you can use your domain. You have to click on use your domain, then scroll down a bit and you will see that create a website with WordPress. Scroll and then you will find a create a website with WordPress. Then it will take you to the domain pages. Then search for your domain, select that domain, click on the WordPress logo or maybe get started anywhere wherever you like. Give it your name, here you can write the admin details for your WordPress. So I'm just selecting any random name, admin X or something. Click continue and simply click on continue with WordPress. Instead of installing the managed WordPress, you have to click on continue with WordPress. It will take some time to set up the WordPress, and let's wait for it. In case you are trying to set up the domain, then you can have a look at our another guide that we have shared on our channel. It is regarding setting up the external domain at ionos.com. So that would be helpful in case you are setting up the domain from GoDaddy or any other registrar. It is still taking time, but it will be worth it. I'm just opening the domain to see if WordPress is installed. Yeah, it is already installed. Here we can also see that congratulations, your new website is online. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks everyone.